I'm sitting in an '05 Toyota Matrix. We have no keys. We're just going to do one key to get this running, and we're going to show you how it's done. It's very quick. Our mobilizer light is right there. You can see it blinking. Keys in the ignition. We'll go ahead and turn it on. Okay, go to Toyota, Matrix, key coding, 05, mobilizer 1. Okay, service functions, quick reset, yes, check the light out, it's solid, very good. We'll just wait for the screen to say complete or failed. Either way, it's done. The light's on. Okay, don't worry if it says unsuccessful. That light's on, you're good. Alright, at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the key off, take the key out, keep it on that light, insert the key, let it go solid, then start blinking. Turn it 5 times, take the key out. Now, I'm going to stick the key back in, light should go out. That's it, we are done. Turn the key on, lights out, it's going to start. No need to start this car, I know it runs. As long as that light's out, we're good. Take the key out, all done.